Did you know giraffes have no vocal cords? That's why they're so quiet, using subtle body cues instead. Kinda mysterious, right? Ever wonder why bats hang upside down? Their feet lock effortlessly, letting them rest midair. Nature really nailed the design. Did you know dolphins sleep with one eye open? Half their brain stays alert for threats. Now that's some clever resting. Some frogs can freeze solid in winter. Their heart and breathing stop, then restart when thawed. Nature's own miracle trick. Did you know ants farm mushrooms underground? They grow fungi as food, like tiny gardeners. That's surprisingly organized for bugs. Don't miss the next animal fact, like and subscribe now.